Hi everybody, welcome to Tip Time Thursday. How's it all going? And today I have decluttering tips for large decluttering projects. So, when you're decluttering a large project, you want to make it as easy as possible to sort things. So, put your donation items in cardboard boxes and label the cardboard boxes donation. That way when you're sorting, you can go really quickly, put things in the donation box. You don't have to remember which box is the donation box because you have it labeled. And then when you call someone to pick it up or you put it in your car, you don't have to move it into another container. You can just have them take the cardboard boxes, or you can just put the cardboard box in your car and drive it to your choice of donation. I've seen a lot of blogs and stuff online where people are making these fancy smancy sorting bins, and that works really well if you want to take the time to put things in and out of the fancy smancy sorting bins. When I'm doing a large decluttering process and a lot of things are going to be donated, I like to get just plain large cardboard boxes to use as my donation sort bins, because that way I can just go ahead and donate the whole box. I don't have to worry about getting my container back. I don't have to worry about putting it in a different container or anything else like that. So it just makes it easy to use cardboard boxes for donating sorting. And also make sure that you're sorting out your recyclables, because you don't want to put your recyclables into the regular trash. If you can help the environment and recycle them, that always helps. Where I live, we have a multi-use recycling bin, so we can put plastic, glass, and metal and paper all together in the same bin. So when I'm decluttering in that situation, I just have one large receptacle for recycling, and another receptacle for trash, and another receptacle for items you want to locate in a different room. And that way you can just declutter, sort things in these cardboard boxes that are all labeled, so you don't have to remember, oh, where do I put my recycling? Where do I put my trash? Where do I put this? Mark them all so you can go really quickly and sort things into the proper items. And then when you're done and it's time, you can just pick up the trash one, throw it in the trash, pick up the recycling, put it in the recycling, and either have someone come and pick up your donatable items or put them in your car and drive them off. So I hope that helped you today. If you like this Tip Time Thursday, give me a thumbs up. And if you like my tips in general, subscribe to my channel. I like to give tips every Thursday on decluttering and organizing. Thanks for joining me today.